Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and I know I wasn't supposed to be back until Monday, but I found some new M2 stuff at my Walmart, and I was actually shocked to see that today because it's been probably at least 2 months since we've seen any new M2 cars, well, at least M2 auto haulers. I did find some Coca-Cola stuff about a month ago. That's where I got the Dodge truck that I removed the tampo from for you guys. Uh, but yeah, it has been months since we've seen any auto haulers or anything else for that matter. I'm hoping to see more stuff. They had just cracked open a case of auto drivers and auto haulers, and there were no chase pieces, but they did have some pretty cool haulers. They're the one that you would have assumed I would buy. I passed on the Dodge one, but it looks pretty cool. It's a ramp back with the Challenger funny car. And the way it's painted up, it almost looks like Don Perdone's Snake 1, the yellow one with the blue stripe and the stars. That's kind of what the hauler looks like. And the Challenger also resembles it in some ways, but it's sponsored by some company called Bulldog. Not Hot Wheels, of course. But still a pretty cool set. And then there's the Ford set that had the F100 pickup with a open trailer with a Bronco on the back of it, which is also a cool set, but I didn't opt to get either one of them. The ones I did get were the Chevy square bodies. I still have a place in my heart for these Chevy trucks. I love them. Actually, when it comes to like one-to-ones, I prefer the Chevy square body, Chevy Silverado over the Dodge square bodies. I guess I would call them the 72 to 93s are similar to the 73 to 87, 88 Chevy 1500s. And I know they ran this body style past then for the bigger platforms and the sport utility vehicles like the Blazer and Suburban. But anyways, yeah, this set was really cool, but I can't get back into collecting. That's why I'm collecting these. I'm trying to narrow my collecting down to just Mopar stuff. That's why I've been doing so many Mopar videos lately. But I will still pick up some stuff for trade bait or to resell to help fund my habit of collecting Mopars. So, anyways, I grabbed 2 sets of this, and one set had a cracked case, so I just went ahead and opened it. So I'm going to make this a quick unboxing. So as you can see, this one here is still sealed, and it is in a really nice box, an acrylic case. And I'm going to leave it that way, and I have it posted up on eBay at the moment. I'll leave the link for it at the end of the video, in the video description, I should say, not at the end of the video, but it is in the video description, the link to this on my eBay store. But you can also comment here, and the best place, though, to message or comment would be on my Instagram, so you can hit me up there to save a little bit of money buying it there, or you can use eBay if you prefer the benefits of buying from eBay. What they are, I don't really know. I guess just a security if you're not for sure about the seller. So anyways, yeah. In this set, you have a 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 30 and a 1975 GMC Sierra Grande 15. And no trailer. That's where they got you on this set. Both vehicles are metal on metal and such. It doesn't have like one metal on metal vehicle with a trailer and one of the cheaper Auto Driver series vehicles with the plastic base and non-opening parts. These are both metal on metal, but you did get shorted the trailer. So you do not get the trailer with this set. And such, but still, really cool set. What I like actually is the box. As you can see, you have your Chevrolet bow tie and your GMC in the background, right behind the proper vehicle. It states tough in the right places. And then on the top of the box, you also have Chevy, GMC, and this set is not offered in a chase version. Just 9,000 pieces worldwide of this one. And what I really like is the back of the box, how they have like some of the original selling things of the original one, like the big dually Chevy's dual rear uh, wheel option is available for Sierra 30, fleet sides, and chassis cabs, and blah, 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 blah. So, anyways, and then Chevy pickups have a reputation for toughness and value from the frame on up. Every Chevy pickup is engineered and built tough to stay tough. And you can see they have the ladder frame highlighted underneath the truck, which is really cool. And they give you a shot of the interior of your tilt column and its functionality. So really cool. And then the bottom side, you have some more Chevrolet and GMC logos, some copyright stuff over here, and then your choking hazards over here. This is for your item number 36,000, and then your UPC code there, if it means anything to anyone. I really don't follow those because I know some companies use the same codes for years to come. But anyways, let's get a look at these guys out of the box. So let me grab the other set, and as I said, we already have a set unboxed for you guys right here. So we'll start with this most popular, excuse me, your C30, or yeah, I guess it would be Super 30. Because I don't know, this is just a really cool looking casting. The quad cab, crew cab, whatever you'd like to call it, with the long bed, dually flares and such. Really cool. And it's done up in, I don't know, lowered slam truck, but work truck combined, because it has the budget like utility wheels that are painted white, the non-chrome bumpers painted white, and you have this white utility rack, usually referred to probably as a ladder rack. And same thing up front, you have your white finished bumper and such. Pretty cool looking though. I would have liked to have seen it with chrome bumpers and chrome wheels, but I think they were going more for the workhorse look, so that's why they went with this. But with the slam stance, it kind of defeats that work truck appearance. Just looks like work and play all wrapped up into one. Now, unfortunately, with these, like a lot of M2s, I would say 70% of them, it has the wobbly axles, as you can see, but it still rolls really nice. I mean, it just has slightly wobbly axles, as you can see that back wheel really wobbling around there. And it does have a hitch on it in case you did want to hook a trailer up to it, so they did not forget that part for the auto hauler. They did give you a hitch. And the hoods, I do believe, open on these. There you go. As you can see down in there, and it is also kind of like a resto mod. It has an LS style engine in it. It looks like maybe supercharged from a Corvette or Camaro or something. Pretty cool to see that down in there. I was expecting to see like a carbureted 350 or maybe even a big block 454 under the hood, but the LS supercharged engine, pretty cool. So it has the work, play, resto mod thing going on with it. So different for sure, and it's pretty cool. Actually, I like the colors too. That teal blue, eggshell blue. I don't know what else to call it. It's a really cool, like powdered blue. But the white top looks fantastic. Now, the least favorite of the group, but still cool, is your GMC Sierra Grande 15 with the utility bed. You don't see this too often, the utility beds. So that is pretty cool. I remember I had one, I think it was the Hooker one, and it was almost the same color as this. I don't know if it had Hooker or some other company, but I took the tampos off the doors and made it look almost identical to this, but that was in my old collection. I got rid of it since then. But what I like about this is the larger diameter, like still looking wheels with the dog dish like cap in the center. It looks really cool. It gives it that work kind of play look to it also. And then this is metal on metal, not like, you know, the cars that come on the trailers usually are Auto Driver series with non-opening parts and plastic bases. But this 2-pack without the trailer, both vehicles are running a metal base. Pretty cool. And this has a, I guess, I don't know what to even call, like a narrow, thin plank style bumper with a ball hitch on it. Also pretty cool. And yeah, as you can see, it doesn't open. The hood on this one should open. Yeah, it does. And there you go, another LS engine. This one's a little different. I think this is just like a standard LS engine. No supercharger like the other truck, but that's pretty cool that they're both running LS style engines. And they have that work and play look going on. Slam stance and the non-chrome work truck kind of look and such. Pretty cool. So that's it, guys. I will have both of these guys on my eBay store site for sale individually, and then I'll have the set for sale. So if you're interested, I left a link for the set in the description, so just go check that one out and then go to my store if you're more interested in just buying one of these individually. And this one has the same issue where it has rolls great, but the wheels still wobble a little bit, like most M2s, unfortunately. The only M2s that really do not wobble that much that I've come across are the 4x4s. That's about it. That's the only ones I notice that they usually get right. But the other ones, they usually wobble a little bit. As long as they roll and such, I can deal with it. So, not too bad. So, guys, that's it for our Sunday video. I'll be back again tomorrow for our Mopar Monday to kick off the week. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Sunday.